Welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. We're going to plan today in my Hemlock Oak B5 minimal planner for the month of September. And the theme for September is warm bakery, which is one of my favourites in all the themes, and I'm looking forward to getting it all set up. I don't remember doing that, but there you go. This is where I note the theme of my journals. I've already put a sticker in advance, but yes, so I'm going to set up my dashboard to start off with, and I've just been using all the same things that I use every month. I think by this point you know exactly what they are. And if you're new and you don't know what any of this stuff is, I will link below the video where I do a full haul of the entire collection. And it'll not be that long going in until we're going to see 2026's themes and collection, which is exciting and scary at the same time. Here. And then I also have the large doodles that I took off the sticker sheet and put in here to use. And then finally I have these Septembers here, some nice colours. So let's get the dashboard all set up.
Sky come bearing up before us. We hang on the hem of your gown. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. There's a darkness in the valley. Crack and spit. If we holler, will you hurry? Can you hear us through the wind? Blue sky calm, dancing in between us. Take us up, lay us down. Blue sky calm, not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. There's a violence under our feet, running stitches through our homes. Bring a lantern, bring it quickly. Joy is not to be a crone. Blue sky come, hearken to our chorus. Tie us to golden crown. Blue sky come, promise not to leave us. Tarry not to our town. Tarry not to our town. Tarry not.
Now let's get the monthly layout all set up, and then we can get to planning.
That I can't seem to find. When I go to reach it, just leaves my mind. coat and step outside. A dark and quiet road appears out of the smoke. It leads me to a valley, secret emerald grove of cedar trees and pines. I walk for miles and miles.
Now, let's put the plans in. I don't actually have very many plans to put in advance in September. There's quite a lot of birthdays, so I'm just going to use these little dots and then the little balloons that come in the kit beside it. But the 4th birthday on the 30th of September is mine. I am another year older and none the wiser. I can't believe it's so close to my birthday again. I hate to sound like a broken record because all I do is talk about how fast time goes, but it really creeps me out. Anyhow, yes, I have a load of birthdays and then I also have payday, and the only other thing I'm going to mark in is a hair appointment on the 23rd, which is a Tuesday night, which isn't the norm for me because normally I would go on a Saturday. However, I actually had the 30th of August booked and forgot. I'm so terrible with writing hair appointments down. And I got a little reminder message, but I'm determined to save money this month, because I spent a lot last month and just because I want to get some stuff for doing nails now that I've qualified, and also finally get some rooms finished in my house. So I'm really trying to be more sensible and save. And I could have went ahead and did my hair, but I just decided against it, and I thought instead of having an appointment in October, I would cancel October, cancel August, and then have one in September instead. So it'll be done for my birthday anyway. But obviously because it was last minute, all the Saturdays were booked, but Tuesday night is fine. I'll just go after work and get my hair done. In fact, to be honest, I'll probably prefer it rather than having to give up part of my Saturday. Anyway, that was a tangent. Oh, also, I marked the fact that it's going to be autumn, and I used the coordinating event labels from Coffee Monsterz Co, and that is on the 22nd. It's turning into autumn, although it already feels like it. So I'm just going to put in all these final things, and then after that I'll move on to doing my current lease.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around. With branches low like spiral stairs, we climbed into her maiden hair. You feel like you can really fly up there. My hand in his so patiently, we watched from our proud little tree. We hummed a little song to me. Suddenly the air would shake. The jet plane filled up all the space.